I think we should be expecting new highs in Cardano here pretty soon. And I'm going to explain my theory as to why and present some evidence supporting that theory. We're going to do that right now. I'm looking at ADA on the daily chart. I'll take a look at this very clear pattern we're seeing indicated by these blue lines. It's a very clear pattern, not hard to see, and we're seeing it across other coins in the crypto world, which is just making it all more important. And we'll talk about what that means and how that affects new highs. Before we do, I'm going to go to tradingview.com. It is one of my favorite crypto tools that I use often. We're going to look at ADA's technical analysis starting on the 1 day. 1 day, the summary indicator is a buy from TradingView. Oscillators are neutral. Moving average is a strong buy. On the 1 week, I don't think anything moved. Still seeing a summary of buy. Oscillator is neutral. Moving average is strong buy. And on the 1 monthly, I don't think the screen is stuck. I just think it's the same. A buy. Oscillators are neutral. Moving average is a strong buy. That's one reason I believe we're going to be expecting new highs in ADA soon. The second reason is this. Look at the price action since we've had this magnificent run up in crypto since October. In October, we were around 0.25 in Cardano. We have easily doubled that. We're at about 2.5 times now, and it would not surprise me to see us aiming for a tripling of that 0.25 and looking to 0.75 here in the next couple of months. After this fantastic run up we've seen in crypto, though, what we can see, this is a weekly chart. Look at these bars on the weekly chart. All of December has been ranging between this 0.68 and this 0.55. Not only has it been ranging these last 3 weeks, but we're sitting right in the middle of these wicks. We would open here, go up or down, and close in the middle. Open here, go up or down, close in the middle. Open here, go up or down, close in the middle. And we started a new week a couple of days ago. What we are seeing on the daily is a reflection of what we call a price wedge. Not only is price ranging between these two critical areas, but the lows are getting higher and the highs are getting lower, which is causing this coiling sensation or a wedge. Either way, it is like you putting pressure on a coil, tightening, tightening, tightening. Eventually, it's going to pop. Which way is it going to pop is the question. Now, Bitcoin is also showing this. Bitcoin, of course, is a leading coin, and crypto follows much of Bitcoin a lot of the times. Bitcoin has its own wedge. But I think we're going to have to be a little bit patient before we see the breakout. I could show you evidence that back in 2022, around this time, things were slow in the crypto market, which is normal. And it wasn't until January 8th we broke out. This is the range we were in the last 2 weeks of December and the first week of January in Bitcoin. In 2021, it was similar. We ranged most of December and then had a breakout on the 5th of January. That is what I believe this price action in ADA is setting up for. It is setting up for this breakout in January, the first or second week of January. I'm back on the daily chart for ADA, and here's the coil that is being created by price, which lines up perfectly for us to break out soon. Now, which way are we going to break out? I think we'll break out up ultimately. 3 reasons for that. TradingView, I've already showed you its indications on the daily, weekly, and monthly are showing a buy. They believe price is going to go up. After number 2, after this fantastic run up we had in crypto, we did not see a dramatic pullback. Okay. Normally, if we saw a big rise in the markets and then an immediate pullback, we could assume some type of market manipulation where the big players rose the price on purpose to get us retail traders in and then take our money as they drop the price back down. That has not happened. We are resting very near the highs across all of crypto. on this big run up since October. We're not resting near the lows, we're resting near the highs, which means this seems to be a natural occurrence in the market. Crypto just has advanced in price this much naturally. And the third reason I think we'll break up is everything I'm hearing by the people in crypto that I listen to are saying January could be a really good month, and they really believe 2024 is going to be a fantastic year in crypto, and that's what I'm looking for. Going back to the daily chart on ADA, one more point before I let you go. We could see on this breakout, it would not be unusual for us to see before we pop out and start challenging this .68 December high again. It would not be unusual as the days get a little slower for us to drift out of this and head down. If that happens, I would see that as a buying opportunity. I would not want price to get below this level of 0.55. If it breaks that level, we'll have to have a different conversation. But it would not surprise me if we break out and go up immediately. That's fine. Or we may even break out and wander down a little bit and then go up. That would not surprise me as well. Nonetheless, I do think we're going to have a breakout here in the next couple of weeks on ADA and crypto. And I do think the end result of those moves are going to be higher, not lower. That is my personal opinion based on the evidence I have presented here. I could be wrong. This is not financial advice. Either way, I'm in the crypto market for the long term, not just the short term. So as long term we're moving up, I'm going to be completely happy. Either way, I'll keep you updated. Be sure to check back, and I will continue to give my evidence and supposition on price across crypto and ADA specifically, as it is one of my favorite coins and one that I am personally invested in. All right. Hope y'all liked the video. Y'all come back and take care.